Hey guys, welcome back. Today I want to talk about the manual lenses I use on my Sony A6300. This one I have here is actually an OM 35-70 zoom constant f4. I went out and did some test shots with it today. It's been raining all day, windy, not a very good weather day, but I was able to, it stopped long enough I was able to go out and get some test shots. I shot some at f16 and some at f4. So the first thing you're going to need is an adapter. This adapts Sony E mount to the OM mount, which is what this lens is. It's an OM Zukio lens, probably from sometime in the 80s, I'm guessing. I love this lens ever since I took this picture at the beach of my kids. I've just enjoyed it. Always used it on my Micro Four Thirds gear before. So now I'm using it on the Sony. So first thing you're going to need is this adapter. And this adapter is about $15. You can get it off of Amazon. Next thing I do is I always print a rear cap for it. And that's 3D print. When you print it on the bed this way, the back becomes rough, but not the inside part that touches the lens. I'm not sure if you can see that or not, but that's really smooth and that goes on well. So rather than buy these, I just print them. This black PLA is not my favorite, but I'll print a couple more and share it with you, but that's another thing I always do first. So let's take a look at some test shots and see how it turned out. Also, I didn't use focus peaking. I didn't do any color grading. I didn't edit anything. I just threw it into iMovie, threw the clips together so you can see. So if my focus is a little off, I'm not as young as I used to be. My eyes aren't as good as they used to be. So bear with me. I'll work a little bit harder at it next time. But yeah, this is lens goes for about $50 or less on eBay if you're interested. The mount is about $15. I think it turned out pretty good. Let me know what you think. Leave a comment, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.